The time for inspection warning in your Subaru is a maintenance reminder designed to keep your vehicle safe and performing well. It's not a fault code, but a preventive alert from Subaru's Vehicle Information Display System, or VIDS. You'll see it on your dashboard as part of the vehicle's information display system. The warning activates based on mileage or time, every 6,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. This ensures regular checkups to maintain your Subaru's safety and warranty compliance. The system monitors your odometer reading, internal clock, and data from the engine control unit. It tracks various vehicle systems and sensors to determine when inspection is needed. It triggers from reaching mileage intervals, time passing since last inspection, or after battery disconnection or ECU resets. Extreme temperatures can also occasionally cause false activations. Ignoring it can void your warranty and lead to undetected issues with critical components. Regular inspections catch wear on brakes, tires, and other vital parts before they become safety hazards. There are several ways to reset the time for inspection warning, with professional reset being the most reliable. Dealerships use tools like the Subaru Select Monitor, taking about 10 to 15 minutes, and verify inspection completion. DIY methods, like the key cycle reset by turning the ignition on and pressing the odometer reset button, may work for older models pre-2018, but are not guaranteed. Newer 2020 Plus models have encrypted ECUs. Some 2025 models with Starlink allow resets via the Subaru app after confirming maintenance. Note: attempting unauthorized resets can trigger other warnings or affect vehicle data logs, potentially complicating insurance claims or resale value.